Hey guys, you know what trading and the UFC have in common? Getting to the top once doesn't mean much, but staying there, winning consistently, that's what separates amateurs from professionals. In fighting, that's the belt. In trading, it's a positive account balance year after year. I'm David, CEO at EA Automatic, and in this video, I want to explain why 9 out of 10 new traders burn out fast and what the pros do differently. Spoiler, it's not about some secret strategy. It's about psychology. Let me start with data. You see, 90% of lottery winners lose everything within 2 years. Sounds crazy, I know, but you'll see the same pattern in trading. You see, people get lured in by videos showing some 19-year-old millionaire claiming they've found a secret sauce. Just copy their trades and watch your account go 10x in a month. But there is no secret. What they're selling is pure risk disguised as brilliance. And sometimes it works, maybe, at first. You throw your whole deposit into a high-risk trade, highly leveraged. You get lucky, you double your account, and that feels amazing. And that feeling, that's where the damage starts. Because next time, you go in even harder. And sooner or later, usually sooner, the signal cracks, you lose a big chunk of your balance. Now panic kicks in. You try to win it back. Bigger trades, worse decisions, more losses. That's how most people learn, the expensive way. But the real damage isn't even the money. It's the mindset. Listen, guys, from day one, your brain starts treating the market like a slot machine, a place for highs, lows, and lucky runs. And once that belief sets in, you're already done. Look, I've been there too. Most of us have. Early on, we all chase the magic formula, right? The strategy that makes you rich in 5 days. And we all learned the same truth. Eventually, there is no formula. There's only structure and discipline, long-term thinking, and consistent execution. Hey, the good news is we live in a time where traders have access to tools we couldn't even dream of 10 years ago. Everything beginner traders typically struggle with: emotional discipline, calculated risk, patience over weeks. Well, AI can do that, and do that cold, without stress and without doubt. That's what we built EA Automatic for. It's a tool that lets you grow your capital while learning. You don't need a huge deposit. You don't need to know everything. You just need a willingness to start. So look here. Just click the link in the description. Follow the instructions. A manager, a real human, will guide you step by step to the bot, which is trained on thousands of successful trades. You'll start to see trading is what it really is. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And yeah, maybe this isn't as exciting as 200% in a week, but we also know how those stories end. We're here to deliver what actually works. A pragmatic system with risk management at the core. Returns of up to 20% per month are excellent, especially when you're not risking everything to get them. That's how the top hedge funds do it. That's how the quiet winners play this game. And here's where it gets interesting. Our bot uses adaptive compounding logic. You see, early on, it starts conservatively to build your deposit. And once your balance grows, it gradually scales the position to size. Not by gambling more, but by stacking small wins with optimized risk. This is what compound growth really looks like. It's predictable and structured. You know exactly what you can earn, and even more importantly, you know what you're risking. Hey guys, if you can't answer that question, you're not really trading. You're just gambling. So yeah, real trading, grown up trading, well, it's actually kind of boring. It's not that adrenaline rush people imagine. You're not jumping up and down after every trade. You're not taking a screenshot with some fluke, blasting it all over social media. No. It's about consistency. It's about doing the same thing the right way again and again. You see, steady, calculated moves, week after week, month after month. That's the most important part that most people miss. They obsess over returns, but they forget that time is the real multiplier. That's why we built EA Automatic to handle the part no one wants to do, the discipline, the patience, the repetition. The system doesn't get emotional. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't start chasing losses just because you had a bad morning. No. It just runs using strategies we've actually tested, not just hoped for. And don't worry, you still have a human in the loop, a real asset manager on your side, keeping everything in check, helping you stay the course. Use it. Watch your account grow. See the value for yourself. Then we'll talk about the next steps. Sorry if I broke some illusions today, but the most overrated thing in trading is profit. The most underrated? Well, it's time. You're not really a trader until you've let go of the dream of fast and easy money. It's not about what you make in month 1. It's about whether you're still standing in month 6. Most people pay a painful price to learn this. I just gave it to you for free, along with a tool that can help you trade like a grown-up from day 1. If this helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos like this one coming. And if you've ever gone from chasing internet strategies and you actually tried our bot, we'd love to hear from you. So drop your story in our comments section, okay? Who knows? It might end up in one of our next videos. You might even get a call for an interview. All right, see you soon.